I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nisha, and in this video I have come up with a beautiful purple eye look which I have created using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette. And the top that I am wearing is from the brand Corrector, which have been recently launched by one of my favorite YouTuber Aishwarya. Love her so much and really love the collection of Corrector. Do check it out. Now coming to my eye look, I have created a purple half cut crease eye look, and it's quite simple to achieve this eye look. I hope you all are going to enjoy this video, and if you do, then please click on the like button. And for your convenience, I am going to link down all the products that I have used in this video in the description box below along with their links, so that you can easily purchase them from those links. And for other updates from me, do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Links are given right below again in the description box. And before we enter into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm starting off with shaping my brows with the pencil and then filling up the sparse area. Now with a spoolie, I am brushing out my eyebrows upwards to get a natural finish. Now I am taking my M.A.C Studio Finish Concealer and a flat brush to clean up over and under my eyebrows. Now I am taking the LA Girl Peach Corrector to color correct my eyelids. And then I am applying MAC concealer all over my lid, as this is going to be the base for my eyeshadows. We need to blend everything very well so that there are no creases left on the lid. And now to set my eyelids, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am going to dab it all over my lids. Slightly on my forehead. And I am also baking my under eyes using this loose finishing powder to get rid of any fallouts further. Next, moving to my eye look, today I am using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette, and here are the 9 beautiful shades of the palette. First I am picking up this matte light magenta shade and I am applying it in my crease as the transition shade, and the brush I am using is the Pack 204 blending brush. Next I am taking this shimmery violet shade and I am blending it right in my crease with a flat blending brush. Now I am picking up this shimmery purple shade and applying it right on my crease to create a dark shadow on my crease, and also applying it on my outer V of the eyelid. And the brush that I am using is the Nika eyeshadow blending brush. Then I am taking the matte paint pot in shade Painterly and I am going to cut the crease. Matte paint pot dries automatically, so I am not setting it. Now I'm taking this glittery baby pink shade and applying it on the half of my lid, and the brush that I'm using is Pro Arte PE19 brush. To get more intensity of this glittery shade, I am using a sponge applicator. Now again I am taking this purple shade and I am applying it on my outer lid and also blending it with pink eyeshadow. Then I am picking up this glittery light purple shade and applying it right between the dark purple and light pink shadow so that both the shadows blend into each other very smoothly, creating a gradation. Now I'm taking this dark violet shade and applying it on my outer V just to create some depth and drama. And the brush that I'm using is Pro Arte PE23 brush. Again with the Nika blending brush, I am blending shadows on my outer V. Now I'm blending out everything on my crease using the Pack 204 blending brush. Next, taking the M.A.C Technicolor liner in Graph Black to tightline my upper and lower waterline. Next, I'm picking up this purple eyeshadow on my pencil brush and applying it on my outer lower lash line. And then taking the light pink shade to apply in my inner lower lash line. Now I am taking this violet shade and applying it right below the previous shadows. For eyeliner, I am taking the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner and I am going to apply it using a small angled brush. So done with the eye look, and now I am going to get rid of the little fallouts under my eye area. I have already done my base before, so let's add some blush and highlight. For blush I am taking the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in Pink Pinch. For highlighting my face, I am using the M.A.C Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. I am also going to highlight my brow bone and inner corners using the same M.A.C highlighter. Now I am taking the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara to volumize and enhance my upper and lower lashes. I'll be right back after applying my lashes. For my lipstick, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Icon. And finally, to set my makeup, I'm using the M.A.C Fix Plus. So that's it guys, here's the complete look. I hope you liked it and also enjoyed the video. For any queries about this look, you may ask me in the comment section below. And please do like, comment and subscribe if you like my videos, and do let me know if you want me to create any video of your choice in the comment section below. So that's all for now. See you again with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Bye.